Welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how you can create YouTube channel auto-subscribe pop-up button link like this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to get interesting video updates. So let's see how it's done. First, need to go to the channel customization page. Next, click Basic Info tab to view all the channel URL link, default YouTube channel URL, custom channel URL link setup in the channel, and the custom channel handle URL link. To create YouTube channel auto-subscribe pop-up button link, we can use either of the three URL. Next, to create a auto-subscribe pop-up button link, we need to add this phrase, !sub_confirmation is equal to 1, beside the channel URL. Let's copy the default channel URL link from the YouTube channel customization page and add this string of characters to it. Now, let's paste it in a new browser and confirm the auto-subscribe pop-up button display. And it's done successfully. When the pop-up link is clicked, they will be prompted to click subscribe button to view the channel videos. You can share the pop-up channel subscribe link through your email or on social media link or on your websites. We can share the auto-subscribe pop-up button link in email like this. Similarly, we can confirm the same with the social media pages. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon if you have not done already. And do not forget to like, comment, and share my video among your friends if you found it helpful.